Hi everybody, it's Fred, and it's about 6:30 a.m. Give you a look at what it looks like. It's been snowing all night. We do have over 2 feet of snow now. As it continues to snow. As they had predicted, the storm did stall. Instead of moving out to sea rapidly, so it continues to snow here in northern Massachusetts. And it is bitter cold out. I don't know if you can really see the contrast, but that's about 3 feet deep. That's where the sidewalk is. So basically right now everything's at a standstill. I'll take more video later after the sun comes up. And good morning. It's February 9th. It's Saturday morning here. And it's definitely winter here in Massachusetts. And I'll get back to you folks later.